Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to make money online as a teen. 10 proven ways, right? If you are a teenager and you want to earn money, here is the way. What are jobs teenagers can do online? Here are the wide array of opportunities to make money as a teen. Some as traditional jobs, while others require you to strike out on your own to find work. You can find fully time, you can find full-time jobs, while others, you can find full-time gigs, part-time jobs, or online options in these creative ways. Number one, become a virtual assistant. Two, tutor online. Three, stream video games. Four, get involved in direct sales. Five, flip items. Six, create websites. Seven, start a YouTube channel. Eight, start an e-commerce business. Nine, become a freelancer. 10, resell vintage clothing and accessories. Number one, become a virtual assistant. While you have to be at least 18 years to sign up with services or mobile apps like TaskRabbit, you can still look for opportunities on your own to be someone's personal virtual assistant. Tasks you may be able to handle include office assistance, distributing flyers, organizing files, running uh, errands, data entry, and making travel reservations. Number two, tutor online. Although many professional online tutoring services will only hire you if you are if you are at least 18, you can still look for your own clients, put up a flyer or spread the word in your neighborhood. You can offer your services as long as you know more than the person you are tutoring. Number three, stream video games. Maybe your parents won't lecture you, but about how many video games you are consuming when you show them your paycheck for it. Popular platforms like YouTube or Twitch will allow you to stream your video gaming sessions to live audience. If you build a solid following of subscribers, you can earn money for it and also become more known in the gaming community, which could create other opportunities. Right. Now get involved in direct sales. Direct sales involves signing up with a company that sells products such as jewelry, cookware or cosmetics, and often purchasing a starter starter kit with products you can sell for a profit or commission. While many direct sales opportunities are for people 18 or older, there are a few ways you can check into, such as Gel Moment, which allows you to register as a distributor at age 16, as long as you have a parent or guardian as a co-applicant. Now, this used to be a door-to-door venture, but nowadays it's entirely possible to sell items online through social media. Use cautions when pursuing this income avenue through keeping alert for scams and only purchase the starter kit if you are completely sure you will be able to make money back. You will need strong people and sales skills for this one. Number five, flip items. Flipping items can be an easy way to make a profit and make a good side hustle. By Start by asking friends and family if they have anything that they don't mind donating to you, but they don't long that but they don't need any longer, right? It's okay if the item needs a little TLC before they are ready to sell. Number six is create websites. If you are good at creating websites, you can sell your services for around $20 per hour or a flat rate that will adequately compensate you for the time you spend. To get started, make a simple website and approach local businesses to show what you can do. You can also pitch your services to friends and family members who have small businesses without a website. Number seven is start a YouTube channel. Not only you could sell your skills online to manage social media accounts for others, but you could start your own blog or YouTube channel displaying your skill set. Not only this is fun, but if you gain a following, you can get paid advertising or even work with affiliate marketing. Though it takes time to grow your business and brand, being an influencer in any capacity can equal big bucks or even just enough extra cash to make it worth it. Number eight is start an e-commerce business. While you might not realize it right now, you likely have at least a few items lying around gathering dust that you could sell for cash. You can start your own small repurposing business through social media accounts or sites such as Etsy, or you can look into listing your items on mobile selling platforms like Letgo, which will allow you to use its services as long as you are at least 14 and you have the permission of your parent or guardian. Number nine, become a freelancer. If you get started if you have started a blog or honed skills like writing, digital animation, graphic design, photography, calligraphy, or drawing, you can likely use it to earn money as a freelancer. Fiverr is an online freelancing marketplace where you can sign up and create a profile to sell your services to people from all over the world who need them. The best part, as long as you are at least 13 years old, you can use Fiverr to promote your freelance services. Resell vintage clothing and accessories. To make this gig work, you will need to spend time on visiting thrift stores and places like Goodwill or the Salvation Army to find vintage clothing and accessories you can uh, resell for a profit. Consider asking elderly relatives if they would be willing to part with some of their vintage items to help you get started. Good places to sell vintage clothing and accessories are Depop, Facebook Marketplace, or Etsy, right? So this was all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates, and share it to those who need it. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.